this question asked in GATE 2008. In 2 marks. Okay, so let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. Okay, the three-way handshake for TCP connection establishment is shown below. As we know that in TCP we need three-way handshaking for the connection establishment and three-way handshaking for the connection release. Okay, so this is a diagram. So which of the following statements are true? Okay, so before read these statements, I want to give you some concept related to state transition diagrams of TCP. Okay, so let us consider this is a client, this is a client, and this is a server. Okay, so first server always is in the listen state. Okay, so first server is in what? Listen state. Listen state. Okay, fine. Okay. So to establish a connection, if client want to send anything, first it need to establish a connection. So to establish a connection, client will send what? Send packet. Okay. When server will receive send packet, then it will move from listen state to send received, send RCBD state, send RCBD state, and after that it will also send a send packet plus ACK for the send received. Okay, when client will receive send plus ACK, okay, when, and another thing is also at the server side, when server sends a send packet and acknowledgement for the send received, then it activates a timeout timer here, timeout timer here. When client receives send plus ACK, then it also sends a ACK. Okay, suppose this ACK is lost. Okay, so after expiring the timeout timer, server and client both will what? Establish a connection. Okay, both will what? Establish a connection. Okay, if this ACK reaches the server within the timeout timer, then no problem. If it is not reaching till the server, okay, within this time, then after expiring the timeout timer, server will move from send received to establishment state, established state. Okay, established state, right? And connection will established. Here is also established state, and both can transfer the data whatever they want. Both can transfer the data whatever they want. So this is all about state transition diagram in TCP. Okay. So let's see what this statement is saying. What is the statement S1 is saying? Okay, loss of send plus ACK from the server will not establish a connection. Yes, if this is lost, send plus ACK, then connection will not establish a connection. Then TCP will not establish a connection. Yes, this is a true statement. This is a true statement. What statement S2 is saying? Loss of ACK from the client cannot establish the connection. As I told you, client also sends ACK, but if it is not reaching within this timeout timer time, then both will establish a connection. Means if it is if ACK is losing, okay, from the client side, then connection is also established. Okay, no effect of this ACK if this will lost. Okay, so what it is saying, loss of ACK from the client cannot establish a connection. No, it will establish a connection. That's why this statement S2 is false. Okay, the server moves listen to send received. You can see clear from here, listen to where it is moving, send received, and after send received where it is moving, establish state. So this state is not in between send listen to send received and send received to established. Okay, in the state machine on no packet loss. So this is also a false statement. Let's see the statement S4. Okay, what it is saying, the server moves listen, yes, listen to RCBD, yes, listen to RCBD, and then RCBD to what? Established. Okay, fine. In the machine on no packet loss, so which two statements are true? S1 and S4 are true. S1 and S4 are true. Remaining S2 and S3 are false. Okay. So it is asking you true statements. Okay, so S2 and S3 is true? No, S2 is false and S3 is also false. S1 and S4 is true? Yes, S1 and S4 is true. Yes, right. Option B is correct. Okay, S1 and S3 is true? No, that's why it is also wrong. S2 and S4 only, that's why it's also wrong. So which option is true? Option B is true. Option B is true. So here not option C, option B is true. Okay. Initially server is in listen mode. When a SYN is received, the server sends SYN plus ACK and goes to SYN received state. When ACK from the client is received, it moves to established state. Okay. S3 is false, S3 is what? False, and S4 is true. Okay. The loss of SYN plus ACK from server will not allow the client to move to established state, hence connection cannot be established. So that's why option B is true. Okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.